Have you ever had a surprise Zoom call or one that you completely forgot about with no time to get ready and no time to pick a good look? If so, then stick around. Hey gentlemen, welcome to another edition of Chris Fox Fashion. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that I like to call emergency outfits and show you how to get them ready. 2020, as you probably know, has been a pretty terrible year. A lot's been going on, Cyberpunk 2077 issues, and of course, quarantining because of COVID 2020. And with quarantining, it basically means that you really can't see friends or family or even go into work in some cases. But that doesn't mean you get out of doing any of those things, because we do have something called Zoom. So Zoom has become super popular. But where there's a Zoom call or a Zoom family gathering or whatever it is, there's always a chance there's going to be either a Zoom meeting that is a surprise or a Zoom meeting that you already scheduled but completely forgot about. And where there's a meeting that you forgot about or a family gathering that you forgot about, there's the possibility that you only have 5 minutes to get ready, your room's a disaster, your closet is disorganized, and you completely forgot to do your laundry. So what do? Well, you just simply grab an emergency outfit and you're good to go. What is an emergency outfit? Well, basically it's just that. It's an outfit that you have prearranged, ready to go, so that when an emergency arises and you have no time to get ready, you just simply throw on that outfit and you look fantastic. Now, personally, I think of emergency outfits as being for situations where you want to be a little bit dressy and not very casual. So what you want to do is you want to find things that actually look like they would be appropriate for a Zoom meeting. The trick when creating this kind of outfit is finding clothes that you think look great, but not clothes that you wear all the time. That way you never have to worry about where it is and whether it'll be ready, because, well, you don't wear the clothes that much, so it's always going to be ready when you need it. Because I tend to think of this as something you'd wear in more professional situations, you might want to look at a jacket, shirt, pants, shoes combination. Now for the jacket, you can either go suit jacket or you can go with a blazer. Personally, I would suggest going with a blazer because they're pretty casual, but they can also be very dressy and they offer a lot of versatility. If you'd like to know more about how to wear a blazer, then check out my video, 3 Ways to Style a Blazer, which should appear right here. Now, personally for the shirt, you could go t-shirt, which is definitely a look, but because you're being a little bit more professional, I would suggest going with a button-up. You know me, I love my button-ups. I talk about them all the time. I think they're fantastic, and I think that they are one of the most essential pieces that you should definitely have in your wardrobe. So if you have the blazer and shirt picked out, next thing you want to think about is pants. You can either go dress pants or you can go chinos. Personally, I'm a huge fan of chinos because they can look a little bit dressy when they need to, but they're also pretty casual and they're comfortable to wear. And of course, when talking about shoes, I am going to tell you, as you might already guess this, but definitely look at Chelsea boots. Chelsea boots are great, they're stylish, and they look pretty professional. I mean, you might not even need to wear boots or shoes because, well, it's over Zoom and not going to be seeing your feet, but if you do, you can't go wrong with a Chelsea boot. When choosing all of those different pieces, you want to think about color because you want to make sure that all the colors are complementary to each other and work with the outfit. I myself am a huge fan of combining bright colors with neutral colors. Neutral colors are fantastic because they're versatile and they can work with just about anything. Some of my go-to neutral colors are my grays, my browns, my blacks, and my whites, and of course, my navy blues. With those colors, you can pretty much rock anything with them because they're neutral and they're versatile, meaning that they will work with just about anything. For example, right now, I have my bright colored pink shirt with my blue blazer because those two really work well with each other. And then I'm also wearing my gray chinos with my brown Chelsea boots. Now, all those colors work really well together just because, again, you're combining bright colors with more neutral colors. Once you have the different pieces picked out, you just assemble the outfit, put it on a hanger, put the hanger on a door, and then you just leave it alone until the time comes when you have to wear your emergency outfit. If you're looking for some more great fashion ideas, then check out my videos over here. And if you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.